Hello, I'm Flora from Design by Flora. Today I'll be showing how to repair a clip on a wig. Once your clip is loose, you really want to make sure you cut it all out completely. You never want to sew back halfway. You want to remove all extra thread. We like to use rice thread, which is different. It's waxed and it's different than regular thread you buy. So you're going to make a little knot at the edge. And you're going to go ahead, place your comb where it belongs. You usually want to have your comb all the way to the edge. That is the best spot for it. And you double up on your knot. And you're going to just continue going all around, always doing 2 knots. And when you're sewing up on top, you always want to make sure you do not sew through into your skin. So you're only sewing the lining inside. Do not sew into the skin to the top. You will see the thread in there. And very carefully, try not to grab any hair or have any loose thread. Make sure you use a very thin needle, and the eye of the hole should be small enough so it goes through the top holes of the comb and the clip. And you want to finish off by making a knot. And always leave, you want to finish it here, not up on top, so there's no thread coming out towards the front, and always leave a little extra thread so you're not opening up. My name is Flora from Design by Flora, and thank you for watching.